Genius is an infinite capacity for taking pains. This idiom, this expression is actually pretty new to me. I maybe have heard it. I really don't think I have. Definitely have never used it, but I really love it. I really like it. The more I looked into what it means and where it came from, the more I really liked how related to supersizing and growing our businesses it is. If genius is the capacity or the ability to deal with pains, meaning challenges and problems that come our way, then building a business and supersizing that business is actually an act of genius, right? At least in my imagination. So genius, this idiom basically means that we have people that appear to be geniuses to the rest of us just are more focused. They pay more attention to detail. They continue to move forward and work on a question or a topic in detail till they get the answers that they're looking for. In other words, they're all in, they don't give up, they're committed to figuring something out. And I think that each and every one of us who are building and growing and supersizing and scaling our businesses have the same mindset, the same belief that no matter what happens, no matter what comes up, we're going to figure it out. Supersizing our business and supersizing your business is all about having an infinite capability and capacity for dealing with challenges, finding them and turning them around, dealing with problems and situations, but focusing on solutions for yourself, for your business, and for the people that you serve. So this one is accredited to Thomas Carlyle. We've had other things from Thomas Carlyle, other idioms. In 1858, he used it in Frederick the Great. But I think I'd love to know if you've heard this particular idiom or expression. Do you believe that supersizing your business is genius? I do, when it's done in a way to make the world a better place. I think we see business geniuses all the time. You know, we can think of each and every one of us have our favorites, people that we model, people that we learn from, people whose books and programs we read and consume, because we know that if we consume a lot, we'll learn from their lessons, and a little of that genius will rub off and help us to grow and build our business faster. So share in the comments below your experience with this particular idiom. Genius is an infinite capability for taking pains, meaning handling and dealing with pains and solving problems. All right, have an awesome day. I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.